Hey guys, just wanted to make a quick video to share the expectations for this week since we won't have a chance to meet face to face. So we're starting Chapter 8, Nutrition, Health, and Fitness, and so everything else will be pretty much what we always do except for the fact that we're not meeting face to face, so I'll have to explain what you need to do there. You'll see you have two videos here, a TED Talk and a Fat, Sick, and Nearly Dead movie. These are both optional. You don't have to watch them. They both are pretty interesting though. So it might be worth taking a look at. However, there won't be any assessment on those. You've got your PowerPoint here, which is actually in PDF form, and your Chapter 8 quiz as usual. So the one thing different this week, because each week we're expected to do our lab portion, and so the way you're going to document your lab portion is by clicking on that link. Most all of you have smartphones, and so you will simply keep your smartphone on you for the week and measure your physical activity. And I've got several examples of files that other students have shared that documented their physical activity for the week. So it would be things like distance traveled, number of minutes of activity, steps taken throughout the day. Keep it simple, don't stress about it, just anything that your phone can measure using a fitness tracking app, and they usually come preloaded on Galaxy and or Android and Apple phones. You just simply take a screenshot of that and then upload it here by clicking on Add Submission. Keep it really simple. The expectation is that you document 60 minutes of activity. However, if you're using an app that only shows steps taken, it might not show the duration. But I would need to see steps taken for each day, not steps taken for one day. Okay? Like I said, keep it simple and just document your activity by taking a screenshot of the fitness app and then adding it right here where it says Add Submission. Alright guys, if you have any questions, as always, you can shoot me an email. Enjoy your break and take care. Happy Easter.